touch mine.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Butler County in southwest Ohio, Warren County in southwest Ohio, southwestern Greene County in west central Ohio, southeastern Montgomery County in west central Ohio, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and winds to 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Franklin 5 miles west of Hamilton, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Monroe, Bellbrook, Waynesville, Mason, Lebanon, Morrow. In addition, State Route 48 at State Route 73, Mostown, Little, Pekin, Beckett Ridge, Hughes, Mott and State Route 63 at State Route 741 are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 between mile markers 20 and 42, Interstate 75 between mile markers 18 and 43. A tornado watch is in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop suddenly from severe thunderstorms. If you are near the path of this storm, you should be alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and be ready to act quickly. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday evening for southeastern Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.
Touch mine.